Hello everybody. Today we are working on my 96 F-150. Mind the noise, the fans are kind of loud. Today we are working on the entire rear brake system. The shoes, the wheel cylinders, springs, whole 9 yards. So I don't have the GoPro to sit here and record everything from scratch. So I'm going to cut in between and different stuff, show you where I am, what we're doing, and how things go. Yeah, I'd say that wheel cylinder let go. That's getting new parts. The other side's still in good shape. No leaks apparent. Just the back side of that wheel cylinder. So, just the one. But we're gonna replace them both anyways. Do one, do them both. If your car has two of something and one fails, the other one's probably not far behind. Don't mind the fans, but here are just a brief overview of the parts, the springs, both wheel cylinders, replacement parts for inside the brake assembly. So the complete spring kit for both sides, new shoes both sides, and drums both sides. Alright, next stage. It's all out in pieces. That wheel cylinder has definitely seen better days. I'd say not too bad, but yeah, still needs to be replaced. Now we're going to clean this up. Still got some brake fluid dripping on the floor. We're going to clean this up. Get it all back together, and then on the other side we're going to do the same thing. So keep you guys posted. I'll see you in the next clip. Here we go, everything together, and now we bleed it. And of course it's raining. Alright, so to pick up where we left off from, we got rained out yesterday, so we had to start over on the other side. This side looks old, rusted, original, but it's in much better shape than the other side was. Anyway, it's getting replaced. Oh, look at that. Huh. Well, that's not good. Either way, it's getting replaced. I got all new parts for this side too, and let's get to it. Alright, back in the next stage. It all came apart pretty easy. Coming back together was kind of difficult. I had to actually take the brake line off. Didn't record that, but this actually ended up getting rounded off because it got frozen in the old one. Probably should have recorded that, but that was a frustrating fiasco. Got it all back together now. Now I'm going to put this back on. The springs and shoes. Here's the old stuff. Looks a lot better than the other side did. And then we have, that's the old rusted wheel cylinder. And all the new parts. And of course this, and the parking brake all have to be reused because they didn't come in the kit. And here we have our brand new shoes. Alright, let's get it back together. Alright. After bleeding the brakes and getting it all back together, this is what it looks like. Have to take it out all the way down to the line down there, the valve, so we get it all back together. Put this back together. I'm gonna put the wheel on. See what it's like. Thank you guys for joining. If there's any updates after this, I'll keep you posted. Until then, I will see you in the next project. Hopefully that one will come back and start working on it again. We'll see.